Good morning students. Today we study the point pleiotropy. So pleiotropy means a single gene which can be controlled two or different trait. Single gene म्हणजे एकच जीन जो आहे तो काय करतो नियंत्रण करतो two or different trait दोन किंवा दोन पेक्षा जास्त वैशिष्ट्य तो नियंत्रित करतो. Such a gene is called as pleiotropic gene and the phenomenon is called as pleiotropism. So here in that pleiotropism the ratio is 1:2 instead of 3:1 because we will study in the cross the death of the last one individual homozygous recessive individual death takes place. So here that is the HbA, it is the normal hemoglobin gene is there, that is HbA, and Hb raised to S means it is the sickle cell anemic gene is there. So here that is the genes are come in a pair. Genes कसे येतात पेअर ने येतात. Suppose HbA to form normal individual. HbA it is the heterozygote means sickle cell carrier individual. Heterozygotes म्हणजे एका hemoglobin वरती एक dominant gene present आहे आणि एकावरती recessive म्हणजे sickle cell anemic gene present आहे. So it is the heterozygote condition. The person is the carrier. Carrier म्हणजे वाहक. So here that is the such a person having the RBCs which are sickle shape म्हणजे कोयतीच्या आकाराचे and because of the low concentration of the oxygen supply and microscopic examination that is the said that such a person suffer from sickle cell anemia. आपण मायक्रोस्कोप खाली त्याच्या ब्लडचा अभ्यास केला असता आपल्याला त्याच्या ब्लड सेल्स आरबीसीस ह्या कोयतीच्या आकाराचे दिसतात that is sickle shape. So when the sickle cell carrier male marries with sickle cell carrier female, these are the parents are there. Their genotype, that is genes come in pair. एका हिमोग्लोबिन वरती डॉमिनंट जीन आहे, हिमोग्लोबिन वरती एस म्हणजे सिकल शेप जीन आहे, म्हणजेच हा हेटेरोझायगोट आहे. शी इज ऑल्सो हेटेरोझायगोट्स. So here in the gamete both the genes which are enter into the gametes because they are different genes are there. Okay, याचे पण दोन्ही वेगवेगळे असल्यामुळे दोन्ही पण एंटर होणार गॅमेट मध्ये. And these gametes which are having 100% chance to fuse with female gamete. HbA when that is fused with such a HbA to form HbA that is the normal person is there. HbA when cross with HbS to form sickle cell carrier individual is there. Again such a HbS cross with this HbA to form HbS means here sickle cell carrier and HbS cross with HbS to form sickle cell anemic individual which is lethal in condition. Their death takes place. That's why ratio is 1:2 म्हणजे एक नॉर्मल आणि दोन कॅरियर असा तो 1:2 रेशो असतो. So here such an anemic person which can be their death takes place in heterozygous in homozygous recessive condition. So next one, chromosomal theory of inheritance. The Gregor John Mendel in 1866 he was first time noticed and published the work on the basis of inheritance of the trait in his book. But because of the lack of the communication till 1900 his experiments his work which can be unnoticed unrecognized. After that there are the three different scientists that is आता ह्याच्यामध्ये पण Gregor Mendel said that factors, these factors which are genes responsible for inheritance, they can't blend with each other and such a Gregor Mendel which is unable to specify that the actual location of the genes on the gamete. त्या gamete मध्ये जीनचं लोकेशन कुठे असतं हे सांगायला त्याला जमलं नाही. Then that is the Corens, Treshmark, these are the scientists, Hugo de Vries, three scientists, they were put forth work on the inheritance of the Mendel. And they Sutton and Boveri, these are the next scientists which can be put forth the chromosomal basis of inheritance. The theory which can be put forth is the chromosomal basis of inheritance. Such a theory said that, so here that is the chromosomes which are come in a pair. These chromosomes which are present in the somatic cell. Somatic cell म्हणजे आपल्या शरीराच्या कायिक पेशी. कायिक पेशी म्हणजे शरीराचे बाकीचे अवयव तयार होतात त्याच्यामधल्या पेशी. And during the formation of the gamete means sperm in the male and eggs in the female, such a chromosomes which can be comes in a pair. हे रंगसूत्र आईकडनं एक वडिलांकडनं एक समान उंचीची comes in a pair and at the meiosis and to form that is the new individual, that is the offspring. So such a chromosomes, these are the link between parents and the offspring. because they transfer the characteristic from parents to the offspring. Such a theory, it is called as chromosomal basis of inheritance is there. After that, here we study next point, that is the chromosome. So chromosomes, it is the filamentous body which is found in the nucleus of the eukaryotic cell. म्हणजे दृश्यकेंद्रकी पेशींच्या केंद्रकामध्ये हे आपल्याला क्रोमोसोम्स आढळतात. रंगसूत्र, these are the filamentous bodies are there. Chroma means color and soma means body. Chromosomes having different shapes are there at the different phases, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So they having different shapes are there. Then here function of the chromosome is to transfer the genetic information from first generation to the next generation. Next one, number of the chromosome. The chromosome number, it is the specific in each of the species and it is the key factor in the study of taxonomy and phylogeny. म्हणजे प्रत्येक स्पेसिस, आता ह्युमन बीइंग मध्ये किती क्रोमोसोम असतात? 23 पेअर म्हणजे 46 क्रोमोसोम. हे ठरलेले आहे. कुठचाही मानव असू दे, जरी तो लंडन मध्ये राहत असला तरी त्याच्यामध्ये 46च रंगसूत्र असणार, कारण आपली जात एक आहे, मानव जात. दॅट इज स्पेसिस इज ह्युमन बीइंग. मग दुसरं मांजर असेल त्याच्यामध्ये क्रोमोसोमची संख्या वेगळी असेल. सो सच अ नंबर ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम विच इज स्पेसिफिक, विशिष्ट असते आणि म्हणून त्याचा अभ्यास टॅक्सोनॉमी म्हणजे क्लासिफिकेशन आणि फायलोजेनी म्हणजे इव्होल्युशनरी हिस्ट्री मध्ये त्याचा उपयोग होतो. Then number of the chromosome, a group of the basic group of the number of the chromosome called as ploidy. Ploidy means X. Basic group number of the chromosome, it is called as the ploidy. And the multiple of the basic primary chromosome number, it is called as euploidy. Euploidy म्हणजे काय? प्रायमरी क्रोमोसोम नंबरच्या मल्टिपल म्हणजे त्याच्यापेक्षा दुप्पट तिप्पट त्याला आपण म्हणतो प्लॉइडी. The ploidy is become monoploidy means n number of the chromosome. Diploidy म्हणजे 2n म्हणजे बेसिक आपला n आहे त्याच्या दुप्पट, that is diploidy. बेसिक आपला n आहे त्याच्या तिप्पट 3n, त्याच्या 4 पट 4n, त्याच्या 5 पट 5n. So these are the monoploidy, diploidy and that is the polyploidy. After that aneuploidy. Aneuploidy means that is the, it is not multiple of the basic chromosome number. That is the aneuploidy means multiples of the chromosome number not maintained here, not contained. Aneuploidy means it is not the multiple of the basic primary chromosome number. It is of two types, hypoploidy and hyperploidy. Hypoploidy means it is become addition and deletion of the one of the chromosome from diploid chromosomal number. आता diploid chromosomal number मधून एखादा रंगसूत्र वजा होणं किंवा ऍड होणं म्हणजेच aneuploidy होय. हा मल्टिपल नाही. 2n-1, 2n म्हणजे काय? दॅट इज 46 क्रोमोसोम असतील आणि त्याच्यातला एक कमी झाला तर त्याच्यातले 45 राहिले म्हणजे मोनोसोमी. देन नलिसोमी म्हणजे 2n-2. आता 46, 2 म्हणजे 2, n म्हणजे 23. हे ह्युमन बीइंग मध्ये बघूया. 23 × 2 46 -2, 46 2 गेले 44 रंगसूत्र. 2n+1 म्हणजे 46 + 1 47 आणि टेट्रासोमी 2n-2 दॅट इज 46 - 2 म्हणजे so such a conditions which are there because of addition of one of the chromosome or deletion of one or two chromosome from the diploid chromosome number, not basic chromosome number. From the diploid chromosome number it is called as the monosomy, nullisomy, trisomy and tetrasomies are there. This is about the chromosome number.